Hey folks, it's Charlie Cavell at Chevyland again. If you couldn't tell by the yellow pollen powder coating that's all over everything, spring has sprung. And if you're in the midst of doing some spring cleaning, you know the deal. Out with the old, in with the new. Then don't forget to include your current vehicle in that scenario. Dust off the pollen and bring it up to Chevyland and trade it in for something new. At Chevyland, we have nearly 300 new Chevy vehicles in all types, sizes, colors, and trim levels, just in time for spring. We also have a great selection of pre-owned vehicles with fresh makes and models arriving daily. It's what you've come to expect from your #1 new and used vehicle dealership in Shreveport, Bossier. You know the place, Chevyland, 7500 Urey Drive in Shreveport, or check us out on the web at chevyland.com. Chevyland, together let's drive.